At Slasky Building Company, we realize you have a busy schedule, and we'll do everything we can to accommodate you. Building your home should be an enjoyable experience, not a stressful one. As one of Northwest Ohio's premier new home builders, we're happy to explain to you how our construction process works and what makes us different from other home builders. We believe we have the expertise and creative insight to bring your new home dreams to life in an efficient and enjoyable manner. We're confident you'll see the Slasky Building Company difference. Owner Ralph Slasky is a proud member of the Home Builders Association of Greater Toledo, National Association of Home Builders, and Better Business Bureau. Slasky Building Company is one of only a few Energy Star home builders in Northwest Ohio. That means Slasky Building Company homeowners save thousands of dollars over the life of their home. Energy Star qualifications is just one of the many ways that Slasky Building Company is committed to delivering the best value in your new home. Give us a call or visit us on the web.